Itu aja Pak, bagus sudah itu. Kalau sudah Prof Awang sudah ini lagi mudah-mudahan ini teman-teman dari Unhas bisa klop lanjut. Kalau itu jadi langsung 3 orang itu bimbingannya Prof Awan dari situ. Langsung bisa bikin MOU sama sekolah pascanya Unhas atau
Nah ini
FIB-nya.
maksudnya jangan sampai keduluan kita sama Unhas nanti itu kan orang-orang Unhas
Oh
ini
iya Pak,
lincah.
tahu sendirilah,
Iya kan,
kalau Unhas Pak.
lincah banget.
Dia kan top 10 ya.
Ya,
Jadi
jadi nanti mungkin Paula pas di sana ini ya, saya coba fasilitasi dari sini bersurat
ya betul Pak. Kita
ke
kalau
konselornya,
padekan itu aman-aman aja.
yaitu biar nanti kerjasamanya ini kan siapa kerjasama FIB, UM gitu kan, Himalaya
Tuh,
kan, kalaupun mau
iya,
reakreditasi kita kan.
oh, iya pasti.
Jadi apa sudah ada semua ini ya?
Ya yang presentasi dulu.
Masih ada sekitar 10 orang lagi, Pak.
Ya, yang presentasi sudah hadir kagak?
Si Deva.
Deva sudah ada
Udah, Pak.
nih. Dengan siapa lagi? Hoirina juga udah ada nih.
Ya,
Tinggal siapa
Deva
yang mau
sama
duluan.
Irina.
Oke. Oke, kayaknya ini aja, mulai aja ya.
Iya Pak, lebih bagus kita mulai aja.
Oke, well, kita mulai. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sore semuanya. Okay, we hope that all of you in a good health and make your very nice day. Oke, well, saya akan persilakan ke moderator. Nah, siapa yang mau jadi moderator nih? Apakah yang sudah presentasi yang jadi moderator ya?
Saya Pak yang jadi moderator.
Oke, silakan. Saya persilakan ke moderator untuk take over the screen. Oke, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bisa nggak moderator muncul di layar ya? Jadi kalau kayak gini, cuman Mas Fajar yang selalu menemani.
Siap.
Yang paling tidak yang presentasi lah yang muncul ya.
Ya, presentasi sama moderator lah.
Moderator itu yang. Kalau yang lain curiga sambil guring nih. Cari ini dulu. Oke, silakan moderator.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to this seminar that I entitled "The Struggle of Billie Jean King as Liberal Feminism in Battle of the Sexes Film." It will be conducted by Koirina Nurlita. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Bella Aryani Adiputri, and I will be serving as your moderator today. First of all, I would like to thank you to Mr. Nasrullah as first examiner, Mr. Alamsyah Tawakal as second examiner, and all audience, thank you for joining this seminar. Before we start the presentation, I would like to read the sequence of this seminar. This seminar was divided into 4 sections: opening, presentation, discussion, and evaluation. Now, I would like to invite Koirina Nurlita to present her thesis. So, to Koirina Nurlita, time is yours. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Ini bisa
wabarakatuh.
kenal bisa aja gitu sama Pak Nasr sama Pak Alam ini. Apalagi kalau bahas paket berkesan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Koirina Rita, and today I would like to present my proposal entitled "The Struggle of Beauty as Liberal Feminism in Battle of the Sexes" film. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of the study. Feminism issues can be found in society around us, and society usually determines how women behave in general. Liberal feminism was born since women's suffrage in the 18th century. Liberal feminism emphasized women's equal rights and liberties. Even feminists agree that liberal feminism is the most accepted one in social philosophy. Some issues of women struggling their equal liberty occur in our life and even discussed in one of the literary works, which is film. This film tells the story of the main character, Beauty, which is a player who struggles for gender equality in society. For the research question is what are the struggles that Lily Ginting has made in relation to the issue of liberal feminism in Battle of the Sexes film. The purpose of the study is to identify the struggles that Lily Ginting has made in relation to the issue of liberal feminism in Battle of the Sexes film. The significance of the study. The researcher hopes that this research will provide a clear understanding about feminism. The researcher also hopes this research will be useful for the future related research. In this research, the researcher will focus on analyzing how liberal feminism values reflected through the daily thinking of being free, the limit set by the patriarchal system, and having access to option and women's struggle that is represented in Battle of the Sexes film. And these are the definition of the terms, which are feminist criticism, patriarchal society, and less liberal feminism. Chapter 2, Review of Related Literature. In this chapter, I will present the definition of literature and film, and then character and characterization. And for the character and characterization, it will be divided into appearance, dialogue, external action, interaction, relation of other characters, and contrast. And third is the struggle of women, and last is liberal feminism theory. Chapter 3, Research Method. For the research design, the researcher will choose qualitative research because qualitative research is suitable with the aim of this research, and it focuses on the phenomenon and identify the underlying motive of human acts to know how people see things. And next is data and data source. The researcher will analyze data of the Sexes film through the dialogue, action, and sequence of events. The researcher will also analyze the liberal feminism values and the main character struggles for a better life in relation to the main character needs. And for the secondary data, the researcher will use the film script to strengthen the data and books related to encourage the analysis. Data collection technique. The researcher will watch the film repeatedly and carefully to find the point in the film, and read the script to see the correlation with this research. And second, the researcher will take note, mark the word, dialogue, the important statements, and the information as the data from the film that are related with this research question. And after all the data has collected and analyzed, it will be contained in
continue in the data analysis. Next is data analysis. The researcher will analyze the data and use qualitative research method and techniques to analyze data to answer the problem formulation. After answering the question, the researcher will relate all the data analysis with the theory that has been in the previous chapter. The researcher will use Towns-Stevenson theory for the research. After that, the researcher will summarize the findings of the research and verify the validity by checking the note detail. And last is triangulation. Well, so there are 4 types of triangulation that are used by the researcher. The first one is data triangulation, and the research uses many data sources in order to explain the findings in the research. Those are time, social, and traces. The second is methodological triangulation, and the researcher will use more than one method in analyzing in order to avoid a lack of findings. The third one is investigator triangulation, and the researcher uses more than one investigator, observer, and teacher in analyzing the research. It aims to increase the credibility in collecting and analyzing the data. And last is theoretical triangulation, and the researcher uses more than one theoretical in order to seek for different perspectives of each those theories. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for attention.
Mana moderatornya nih?
So that was the presentation by Corina Nolita. Thank you so much. And now we're going to the next section with its discussion. To Mr. Alamsyah as first examiner, please give your comment.
Boleh nggak Paula dulu? Saya lagi ini
Okay,
angkat
Pak.
telepon bentar ya.
Siapa?
Ya oke.
Makin kinclong kacamatanya Pak Alam ini.
Ini anti radiasi.
Bagus itu Pak untuk
Oke.
kesehatan.
Iya iya. Saya ini
Oke.
Paula dulu ya.
Ya Pak.
Siap. To Mr. Nasrullah as first examiner, please give your comment and evaluation. To Mr. Nasrullah, time is yours.
Thank you very much, moderator, for the chance that given to me for evaluation and suggestion to Koirina, ya. Koirina proposal, and I will give some suggestion, correction, and also evaluation, I think. Yeah, but first of all, let me share my screen. Irina. Sebentar ya, saya coba dulu. Bisa ya? Di stop share screen dulu. Oh, Irina. Nah, thank you. Halo? Mana kau Irina? Irina, where are you?
Listen.
Jangan sembunyi dong. Halo?
Listen.
Aktifkan kameranya biar bisa di sekalian lihat. Oke. Sebentar. Irina, this is your proposal, right? I will suggest you to organize or arrange your theory into a specific table, yeah, to ensure you will easy to identify your data, ya. Bisa lihat nggak ini? Halo, Ko Irina. Bisa lihat nggak share screen saya?
Bisa. Bisa, Pak.
Oke. Detail information. Ini ya, coba nanti ini diperhatikan. Yang lain juga bisa bikin ini. This is the type of Miss Setiawati Surya system, ya. Topics to arrange the theory. Deva, I write also, and I give the suggestion to Deva's proposal also like this, ya. Ini yang paling penting saya kira di awal. Topiknya Deva, sorry. Koirina, yang pertama apa? Research question about what?
Ya, Pak.
What is your first topic in your research question?
Feminism issue.
What? What is your research question, Koirina?
What are the struggles that Billie Jean King has made in relation to the issue of liberal feminism?
Liberal feminism, ya.
Ya, Pak.
Jadi nanti kayak begini ya, Koirina.
Baik, Pak.
The struggle of women atau apa, liberal feminism kah? Atau apa ya? Atau struggle of women. Ini ya. Nanti di sini konsep or definition-nya, di sini ada 3 ya. I suggest you to elaborate more ya. Ini masih sedikit sekali, Koirina. This is still not enough. I think yeah, this is very minimal explanation for your theory, and I think this is your main theory. So you must ensure that you will provide more explanation about this theory, ya. Ini nanti indikatorsnya apa aja, ditambahkan aja, ya. Di sini misalnya liberal feminist struggle of the woman having career in public sphere or public space, apa indikatorsnya di sini? 1 ya. Misalnya 1, 2, dan seterusnya. Kalau dia expressing rational opinions, indikatorsnya atau contohnya seperti apa. Kemudian characterization in film, misalnya di sini pertama stroke period. Misalnya yang kedua action, misalnya environment. Contoh ini ya, contoh aja. Konkret, karena yang lain saya sudah cek lumayan lah. Oke, cuman ini yang perlu ditambahkan dan seterusnya ya. Ini contoh aja. Topics Nah, the topics of this table, Hoirina, organized based on your research question. Mana kita kembali ya. Okay, this is your research question. I suggest you to organize your research question using how research question. How question, sorry. Ya?
Ya, Pak.
Ya, jangan pakai what saja. You must use how because you mention also the theory for how research question here. You mention characterization, yeah, characterization theory here. I mean, this is this is the kinds of research, how research question, ya. Ini tadi yang mana tadi tuh? Characterization, through appearance, ada enggak dijelaskan di sini? Mana itu? Characterization, through appearance, dialogue, external, dramatic foil. Ini nanti Hoirina dan yang lain silakan diperhatikan ya. I think this is good for you to organize your theory using this using this way gitu ya. Ini gini nih, ini cara nanti the kinds of characterization ya. Nanti dicari satu-satu. Jadi when you identify the kinds of women's struggle or feminist liberal struggle, like having career, expressing the rational opinions, and also having bravery to take men's job, yeah. The way to represent this topic, yeah, in movie using characterization theory, using characterization method, yeah. So the director or the filmmaker using what kinds of characterization to represent the liberal feminism expression. Kira-kira logikanya begitu, nangkap ya, Farina ya? Ya, jadi logikanya seperti itu. Research question 1 atau what-nya itu menanyakan struggle of human, the kinds of struggle of human atau liberal feminism expression. Kemudian research question keduanya bicara tentang how it or how the struggle of women represented in the film using characterization. Sebetulnya tidak hanya characterization ya, bisa pakai narration kah, bisa pakai vocalization, tapi bagaimana karakterisasi si perempuan itu ditunjukkan, apakah melalui appearance, penampilan, apakah melalui dialog, ya, atau melalui ini stroke external appearance itu kayak apa sih? Misalnya ya nanti dijelaskan. Kemudian ini, ini characterization stroke internal action, ya, characterization stroke reaction of other characters. Biasanya ini kalau ada karakter yang lain yang protagonis dia jadi antagonis, dia jadi protagonis, bagaimana reaksinya, ya kira-kira begitulah. Nah, this concept lend the concept of this characterization in movie or film borrowed from the characterization from fiction actually, ya. Jadi dipinjam aja sebetulnya ini. Nah, seterusnya. Jadi ini contoh aja untuk melengkapi proposalnya Hoirina ya. Moderator, please remind me if I have many times ya, or over time I think ya. Gini, the struggle of liberal feminism. Oke, it's okay. Ini sudah oke judulnya kalau menurut saya, tapi ini pakai table of contents dong. Masa tidak ada daftar isinya kayak apa sih? Ya?
Ya, Pak.
Ini daftar isinya ini kelupaan kah atau memang tidak bikin kah atau tidak tahu kalau harus ada daftar isi nih? Gimana? Table of contents ya, Rina ya.
Ya, Pak. Oh, ya.
Nah, ini ganti jadi how, kemudian di bawah otomatis pakai not only to identify, but to analyze the characterization or the way of movie maker or filmmaker to represent the liberal feminism or the struggle of women. Ya, itu kira-kira Tyson, Jagger, liberal feminism, Tong, it's okay. Review of related literature. Nah, ini dong lihat spasinya apa? Apa sih namanya ini paragrafnya ya? Rata kiri kanan justify. Ya. Ini nih, bisa dilihat enggak? Ini nih. Nah, kayak gitu. Ya. Halo, Irina. Bisa dengar ya? Halo, Hoir. Ini karakter and characterization aja ya, nggak usah pakai teori of characterization. Karakter and characterization in film, jelas biar tidak biar tidak rancu. Oke, dan seterusnya characterization of appearance. Kalau bisa ini minimal 2 paragraf dong. Bahkan kalau perlu 3 sih sebetulnya. Ya Pak Lam ya, gimana sih standarnya itu?
Ketiganya inilah lebih banyak lah.
Minimal 2 or 3 paragraf. Ini yang lain juga perhatikan ya. Gini, itu sebuah paragraf, di dalam apalagi bikin bagian seperti ini. Jadi kalau misalnya tidak bisa bikin banyak paragraf, mending tidak usah pakai poin begini. Ya, because ya, one topics, ini kan topics istilahnya ya, minimally has some or 2 or 3 paragraphs ya. Asumsinya itu adalah the first paragraph is opening or introduction paragraph, the second paragraph is the contents of the main topics of the parts ya, of the subchapter, and the third paragraph is the closing paragraph or conclusion paragraph. Jadi minimal ada paragraf utama pembuka, paragraf utama, dan paragraf penutup. Ya, that's the logic and composition of the discourse ya, of the contents of a subchapter. Seperti itu. Nah, satu paragraf itu minimal 3 kalimat. One paragraph minimally ya, minimal has 3 sentences. The first sentence is opening paragraph or opening sentence or introduction sentence. The second paragraph is the main topic. Is the content of the paragraph, and the third paragraph is the closing or conclusion or concluding remarks sentence in the paragraph. Jadi begitu ya, Rina ya. Yang lain juga tolong diperhatikan. Setiap paragraf itu minimal terdiri dari 3 kalimat. Setiap bagian begini terdiri dari 3 paragraf minimal loh ya, supaya lebih jelas ininya. Gitu. Oke, thank you moderator for remaining me ya. Gitu. Jadi ini kalau bisa ditambahin dong, ini characterization through dialogue, tapi cuma 3, ini dua kalimat kayak apa? Kita tidak tahu yang mana introduction sentence-nya, yang mana contents-nya ya. Seperti itu. Ini saya tandai ya. Ini tidak salah loh ya, Khairina ya. Cuman perlu ditambahkan minimal 3 sentence. Kemudian minimal 3 paragraf. Itu ya. Ini jadi minimal 3 lah, supaya bagus-bagus juga kelihatan. Jangan ini sudah hitam lagi. Terus 3 baris, 2 kalimat. Nah, itu enggak match begitu ya. Ini liberal feminism, oke lah ya, nanti ini bisa didiskusikan lagi soal isinya dengan pembimbingnya ya. Tapi minimal Khairina, your proposal for general ya, enough I think for the composition. Cukup untuk sebuah komposisi, saya kira sisa dirapikan ya. Jadi sisa nanti dibahas introduction-nya kayak apa, research question-nya sisa diganti how, itu sudah oke, I think ya. Ini di research method, teman-teman yang lain juga tolong diperhatikan. In research design, I suggest you to mention first method. Method itu kita metode kita kualitatif ya. Kemudian ada ini harus bunyi ya, terserah Anda bagaimana approach-nya. Di sini feminism, especially liberal feminism. Your specific topic, I think maybe ya, specific topic misalnya woman struggle. Ini yang harus bunyi dari teman-teman ya. Nanti jelaskan what kinds of your data and data source, data collection-nya kayak apa, data analisisnya kayak apa, ya, dan juga triangulation-nya dan seterusnya. Sama ini, tolong lihat ya, Hoirina ya, the contemporary or the newest thesis guidance of our department ya, karena sekarang itu MLA terbaru tidak ada lagi forms di belakang, oke? Itu ya, Hoir.
Ya, Pak.
Ya. I think that's all for me, moderator. Thank you very much. Back to moderator. Ini saya kirim ke ini ya, Rina ya, ke grup WhatsApp aja. Halo, moderator. Sama siapa ini? Sama Fajar kah? Oh, bukan, sama Dani. Siapa?
Okay, and now to Mr. Alamsyah as second examiner, please give your comment and evaluation to Mr. Alamsyah. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for the time given. Yeah, I think Paula explained already clear enough to suffer the content of your thesis, but I'd like just go directly for the collection for the data, yeah. Okay, I haven't looked at yet in terms of the house what is struggle, ya. Ada nggak yang dijelasin dari literatur punya apa itu definisi struggle di sini ya? Ini, oh ya ini ya. Nah ini seharusnya ini kan langsung ke poin woman struggle woman. Ini harus struggle apa itu struggle itu sendiri dulu. Oke. Ini jadi struggle apa itu struggle sendiri babnya sendiri bagiannya ya. This is different. And then the second one is instead here 2.3 is a struggle and 2. This struggle, and then 2.3.1 this one, yeah, because struggle are not only for women, the other people and also the other people can also they have the struggle not only for women. So as theoretically we have to put in general first what is struggle, what is the definition of struggle. Okay, and the second one, because you need to just focus for women here, instead the struggle for women. If you want to focus your research, the struggle for the disability person, difabel for kids, struggle for kids, struggle for teens. This so we can add in here. Okay. I think same. What I'm saying is the same with Paula. So this is it to sort. Yeah, it's a paragraph, and just give more. And okay, like this one. Every single that you put here, maybe Paula already explained. You need who is the author, yeah? Who is the author for this? Now you put it here and then yeah, based on our format, yeah. Here it is a clear quotation, yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then also this one theoretically, who is the qualitative method that will use by you. This is Taylor. Yeah, I hope that you explain also what is the method for this research, qualitative and content analysis, or the other things. Yep, this also here the theory for the qualitative theory, ya. Jadi kalau menggunakan quantitative, you say quantitative theory supposed to be here, yeah, the reference. In here you use this Taylor. And there are a lot of books for this theory that you can give maybe one more reference here. Okay. I interest just to explain here for the way you analyze your data. I just seen what is Paula explained through the table. Okay, there are gonna be three, and the person is like what is the character, the definition of the character, and then for detail, what you need to do in doing your research is how to apply the character, and means that what you need there is because it is movie. When you find the character in the movie, there you have to you have to put also in your research is minutes and seconds. Jadi menit dan detiknya itu harus ada di situ ya, kelihatan. Nah, if you want to like make complete, put also the screen of the film. Untuk nanti di bab analisisnya ada perwakilan daripada gambarnya. Ya, ada perwakilan gambar di situ detik keberapa. Tapi secara keseluruhan harus ada, nanti itu dilampirkan di attachment, di lampiran. Oke. Di lampiran. Nah, untuk di bab 4 nanti hanya perwakilan. Perwakilan dari sekian banyak temuan based on the character that you make, and you just put few of the findings in the chapter 4 and the other you put in the attachments. Di yang lain ditaruh di lampiran. Kalau itu sangat banyak, ya. If only few, kalau hanya sedikit, ya nggak apa-apa semua disertakan di bab analisa, di bab 4, ya. Oke. Actually, I really need that you perform like conceptual frame, ya. Bagaimana teori itu bekerja, ya. Seperti tadi ada bagannya. Saya sekali ada bagan. Jadi di sesi ini you explain the conceptual frame. Jadi semua melihat bagaimana teori ini bekerja dengan elemen-elemen yang ada. The elements that used in or what is the character or based on the theory ya. Nah, ada nggak Ko Irina bikin ininya, bikin conceptual frame-nya?
Ya, Pak.
Ada nggak bikin conceptual frame-nya di slide-nya tadi? Saya lewat tadi.
Belum, Pak.
Belum ya. Oke, jadi at least nanti itu tadi sambungan dari punya Paula itu yang dijelasin Paula tadi, itu karakternya. Lalu bagaimana karakter itu ditemukan di film. Kemudian pada saat dia ditemukan berdasarkan karakter yang mana, lalu diberikan detik keberapa dan yang mana filmnya. Nah, bagusan lagi kita kasih inisial sesuai karakternya itu. Sehingga kalau orang baca, oh karakter yang ini inisialnya yang ini di menit menit dan detiknya. Oke. Ini intinya supaya kita bisa lebih mudah memahami, oh ini karakter ini dia kasih inisial ini. Oke. Ini untuk sempurna, tapi ada yang nggak sampai seperti itu ya. Oke. Saya rasa itu saja. Karena saya udah lihat tadi Paula udah jelasin cukup detail. Jadi saya melihat missingnya di situ gimana nanti kalau kita menganalisa sekedar, oh ini loh karakternya, naruh karakternya ini. Lalu pertanyaannya nanti kalau saya nggak percaya kalau itu karakternya benar nggak kamu ngambil di film itu. Nah itu maksudnya saya kenapa ada durasi film itu, ada gambarnya. Jadi ketika ini saya cukup mau ngetes itu aja langsung saya saya geser ke detik yang dimunculkan, benar nggak itu filmnya, ya? Oke, saya rasa itu tambahan dari saya terkait format. Nanti silakan dilihat karya-karya temannya, skripsi temannya yang sudah selesai untuk lebih yakin bahwa format itu udah benar ya. Karena tadi citasinya saya nggak tahu apakah format APA yang saya pakai itu berbeda dengan yang kita gunakan di sini. Soalnya tadi ada PDF gitu ya. Oke. That's it my additional. Thank you. I give back the screen to the moderator.
Thank you for the evaluation, and thank you to evaluators for the evaluation, and also thank you to all audience for your participation. Okay, this seminar is done from me, Bella Ariani Adiputri. Beg your pardon if there's any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, ini hari ini 2 ya?
Iya, Pak.
Oke, kalau gitu yang Koirina yang ini ya, yang moderator ya? Atau sudah ada yang ditunjuk?
Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Koirina Nurita, and today I will be serving as today's moderator. Now I would like to invite Deva Nabila to present her thesis. So to Deva Nabila, time is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I will present my seminar material entitled The Representation of Social Class in the Platform Movie. But before that, I want to thank with Mr. Nasrullah and Mr. Alamsyah as lecturer in this class who have given me the opportunity to present my material in this class. First, I will go to Chapter 1, Background of Studies. In this section, I will explain about the Marxist theory is the thought of an economic critic named Karl Marx. He criticized the exploitative and cruel capitalist system in people's life. Second one is economy. It's something that plays an important role because it can determine a person's social status. Marx divided society into 2 classes, namely the upper class or bourgeois and the lower class or proletariat. Basically, humans have a greedy nature so that they want to control all sectors such as the economy, education, and food. This is what the upper class does so that it makes the lower class always exploited. In this case, the two classes have different ideologies and goals. And then social class is also important. We know in order to differentiate class division between rich and poor. Because there are many stereotypes that compare that people below are unable to follow, such as education stereotype is unstilled, that the less fortunate will be less able to follow the people above. Next, for the research question, how the representation of social class in the platform movie. The next one is purpose of the study, to propose how the representation of social class in the platform movie. And for significance of the study, theoretically, this study will give knowledge and helpful for another researcher or reader who will analyze Marxism, especially about social class in any genre of literature. The next one is scope and research limitation. The focus of the research is to find the ideology of Marxism as represented in the platform movie. The researcher will focus on the scene that represented the ideology of social class based on Marxism. Next, definition of the key term is Marxism theory and social class. For the chapter 2, review of previous study and related theories, there are literature and film, Marxism, and social class. For chapter 3, research method, first one is research design. In writing this thesis proposal, the writer used qualitative research method that are in accordance with the objective of this study. This research design focus on describing action into words. The second one is data and data source. In this study, the writer took data from the platform movie by Galder Gastelu Urrutia as the main data source. As the main data source, the writer used a dialogue from the movie and action of the character from the movie that will describe from the script from the movie. The third one is data collection technique. Observation in this study were carried by one, watching the platform movie, listening to the conversation in the movie, and reading the movie script to understand each scene and take notes on everything that is important. 2, choosing and select data related to the problem to be discussed. In this step, the researcher observes dialogue in conversation and actions related to social class in the movie. The fourth one is data analysis. To analyze this data, the researcher will use the Marxist approach. To analyze using the Marxist approach, first we must know how many different social classes the character represents. The next step is where do they struggle with each other. And then the last step is the researcher will evaluate the data. That's all from me. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, that was the presentation by Neva Nadila. Thank you for Neva Nadila. And now we are going to the next section, which is discussion. For this discussion, in the evaluation and it will to Mr. Alamsyah as first examiner. Please give your evaluation.
Nggak apa-apa, Paula aja dulu. Ya,
Ini
Paula.
ini Pak Alam yang dipersilahkan, saya yang share screen. Bagaimana ini moderator?
Paula aja dulu. Ah.
Bagaimana nih moderator? Tidak apa-apa Kak? Pak Alam yang dipersilahkan yang share screen saya. Nah,
Paula aja dulu, Paula. Ini domainnya Paula nih lebih banyak.
gimana moderator? It's okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Diulangin, jangan oke.
It's
Diserahin
okay, ya.
Paula. Oke, silakan Paula.
Thank you very much Pak Alam, moderator. Deva,
Iya, Pak.
yeah, this is your proposal. I think will give you some suggestion and have the similarities with Hoirina before, yeah. Social class, what is your second theory?
My
Deva.
second theory is Marxist, Pak.
Ini teorimu, Deva, masih sangat minim. Ya.
Oke.
That's my first comment. So, ensure for the next session or the next chance, you must add your theory. Yeah, your research question, it's okay. That's good, I think, because you mentioned how research question. That research question, research question. Your research question indicates and imply the intrinsic and extrinsic analysis for your thesis. Okay, your title about social class, so you must explain and detail about the social class, yeah. Social class definition and concept and also indicators. What do you mean about social class? Indikator di sini adalah kayak apa sih yang kamu maksud dengan social class itu? Ya, mungkin di sini upper class, lower class dan seterusnya. But you must mention also the second research question. How are the social class represented in the world? Bagaimana kelas sosial itu digambarkan di dalam karya? Apakah melalui narration? Ya. Atau misalnya characterization? Ada banyak cara ya. Kemudian mungkin melalui vocalization atau gabungan dari keduanya atau ketiganya, ya. Boleh ketiganya, boleh salah satunya, but you must to define that and explain the conception briefly in this table, ya. Saran saya ini tabel 1. Sebentar, kita contek dulu filenya Irina tadi ya. Tidak apa-apa tidak apa-apa ya, lebih bagus kalau di ini. Hal-hal yang baik dari skripsi temannya and also the previous research ya. And we copy or we adopt a good way from the previous research. The detailed information and concepts about topics. Ini ya, informasi-informasi tentang ini, narration, characterization. You must explain this clearly dulu ya, Deva. Ini membantu bukan hanya soal pajangan dan keren-kerenan atau sekedar ada table di sini, ya. This table would help you to make easy your research. Jadi kamu mau cari data tentang social class, apa sih social class itu dan apa indikatornya, bagaimana cara mencari data-data tentang social class itu. Apakah representation about the lower class life and upper class life itu ada social class yang yang Deva maksud. Nanti berarti kalau yang ada begitu datanya nanti seperti itu yang akan diambil, ya.
Baik,
Tapi
Pak.
for general Deva, ya, saya beritahu ya, this is chapter 2 itu, the chapter 2 of the theory is the heart of your proposal. Ini kok chapter 2 cuman 2 halaman, kayak apa? 2 lebih lah. Nah, itu kan teorinya cuma 2 halaman, itu harus ditambah lebih lama lagi, lebih banyak lagi, deeper than before, ya, larger and deeper than before, gitu ya. Dan dijelaskan secara detail di sini. Ya, Marxism it's okay, social class, explain about the social class, but you must mention also how it itu maksudnya how the social class represented in the movie or the film. Bagaimana itu digambarkan? Because you mentioned that in your research question. Ini how the representation of social class in the platform movie. Ini sudah mantap lah, standar sekali research question-nya. Cuma research question itu, ya, the research question imply your theory and your method. Jadi dari research question itu mengimplikasikan teori-teori yang dibutuhkan to answer the research question and the method how to collect and analyze the data. Deva. Clear? Itu ya?
Ya, clear, Pak.
Jadi the representation of social class ini udah oke, tapi nanti di bawah-bawahnya di teori harus jelas juga. The representation of social class. Nah, it's okay. Marxism. Ini Marxis, bukan Marxism. Marxist analysis. Ya, analisis Marxis.
Baik, Pak.
Marxis di sini teorinya, bukan orangnya, gitu ya. Nah, kemudian sama dengan Deva, sama dengan Hoirina tadi, ya. Table of contents lah. Daftar isi. Ini kok nggak ada daftar isi. Oke. Butuh di atas daftar isi. Minimal daftar isi. Ada sih biasanya forward ya, kata pengantar dan seterusnya. Nah, di introduction ini please mention about the novelty and the significance of your research, the reason and the significance and novelty of your research. Jadi alasan kamu meneliti, pentingnya penelitianmu, dan apa? Pentingnya penelitianmu dan kebaruan penelitianmu ya. Dan di sini ada reason. Dan novelty, description, of perkenalkan kenapa itu. Ini dan ini ya definition of key terms-nya. Eva di sini pakai buku ya. Thank you, moderator. 5 minutes left ya. 5 minutes left. Nah, ini jangan pakai online Oxford Dictionary ya, cari buku dan jurnal ya.
Baik, Pak.
Ini juga, ini Miller dan seterusnya. Ini ditambahin lebih banyak lagi teorinya. Kemudian diperjelas in this table ya, clearly, detailly in this table. And then your previous studies. Ini halamannya lewat ini. And in your research method, ensure that you mention about your method, qualitative approach, Marxist criticism in movie, specific topic about social class representation. Yeah, you must mention about this in this research design and data source. Ya, ini sih juga masih sangat sedikit. Ensure ya, data source-mu apa? Apakah screenshot or diagram, kinds of your data. Ini bagi teman-teman yang nulis film ya, saya juga sudah bagikan tuh referensi khusus dan referensi wajib barangkali untuk film. Bukan barangkali, referensi wajib untuk studi film ya, teman-teman, supaya teman-teman tidak banyak meminjam teori dan metode sastra dalam menganalisis movie. Nah, ini ya, data analysis. nanti ini akan dirapikan saya kira by your advisors when you propose your proposal or your research to your advisors, ya. Nah, ini juga saran saya di sini, see thesis guidance, ya. Panduannya. Oke, Deva, moderator, Fairina, thank you very much for the chance. I think that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So, Mr. Nasrullah for the evaluation. And now it's time for Mr. Alamsyah as the second examiner to give the evaluation. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you, moderator, for the time given. First of all, I'd just like to focus first for the background of reasons. Could you please just explain back, Deva, why you choose the movie?
Alasannya karena saya suka aja sih Pak, genre film yang kayak gitu.
Oke, jadi itu saya suka itu bukan alasan ilmiah ya. Lalu kita meneliti orang gara-gara suka. Nah, sampai nanti gara-gara suka Paula meneliti Paula gitu kan. Nah, itu enggak ilmiah alasannya. Jadi saya maksudkan di sini, apa sih yang mau dilihat dari film ini? Lalu kalau orang membaca itu, ini loh akan disebutkan ke pembaca. Ini loh film ini, yang ini loh gitu. Kalau perspektif interest itu sangat-sangat keliru kita mulai riset.
No,
karena nggak ada landasan ilmiah di sana kita memulai. Bisa, ya tadi saya melihat secara menjelaskan secara teoritis saja di latar belakangnya. Itu dari perspektif teori, ya. Nah, bisa nggak karena film ini sama sosial itu jomplang banget di sini. Ada kelas sosial yang nampak di gapnya di sini. Ini loh alasan, ini loh kelas sosial. Lalu kemudian kalau film ini dinonton sama yang lain, akan manfaatnya ada di sini gitu. Nah, itu bisa nggak ada nggak selain interest itu? Bisa nggak jelasin apa sih film itu? Gimana sih film itu? Jadi ini yang saya maksud, jangan judul lahir lalu kita coba cari alasannya, apalagi bilang alasan karena suka, itu nggak ini banget, nggak ilmiah Pak ini. Perspektif dalam memulainya itu ya seharusnya ada novelty, lalu itu yang gara-gara ada hal di sana, kalau ada novelty buat mungkin yang nonton, secara ilmiah kita jelasin ini loh novelty-nya, bahwa di dalam movie itu ada pesan yang bisa menjadikan knowledge untuk pembaca, dan itu mungkin saja terjadi di real life, mungkin saja terjadi di kehidupan nyata. Jadi Deva, saran saya pengen after the class that you send me, ya, you try to think the reasons ya. Benar, ini kelas sosial, ini interest banget di dalam film karena dulu ideologi itu disampaikan lewat karya sastra. Nah, ini pasti ada pesan, cuman jangan perspektif interest. Itu nggak ilmiah kita bangun suatu analisa berbasis itu, ya. Itu ibaratnya ini nggak dalam. Jadi coba berikan saya alasan-alasan yang make sense ya, bahwa ini bisa dilanjutkan dan punya novelty buat membaca nantinya ya. Jangan sekedar menggugurkan kewajiban bahwa yang penting saya lulus gitu ya. Ini sudah di coaching, benar-benar ada novelty-nya karya ini. Seperti yang lain ya udah bisa menjelasin ini loh novelty untuk movie ini gitu loh. Jadi ada alasan kenapa judul itu muncul. Nah, dilihat apa sih konten movie-movie itu? Di mana sih
kelas sosial itu kelihatan. Oke. Apalagi mau klasifikasi kelas sosial, berarti kan dibagi kelas tuh. Jadi saya upper class, ada moderate class, ada low class ya. Nah, itu nanti akan dilihat tuh, benar. Nanti dilihat yang mana di segmen movie ini yang low class ya. Oke, nah itu saya nggak melihat alasannya ya, alasan yang kuat ya. Okay, I will share screen to show you mine. Okay, representasi sosial means that you have to understand how many classes in the society is the presentation, yeah, representation class in the society. Okay, if you cannot make it, means that you do nothing for your research because you haven't known what is the grade of the class of social class. And then, please, I don't want to say this wrong, ya. Ini quoted supposed to be clear quoted for this one. If you take the narrative, the sentences from some sources, instead you have to put the sources clearly here. And also you attach as well in reference. Okay, in reference. Bookstore, clear, in Halton. And I do the same opinion with Paula. Please pay attention for the format, for the time being, for our faculty. Which one is going to be used for our thesis. So everyone the same, yeah. Do not make our own way by yourself. Okay, we have to just focus one way, one format, and then every single student follow. Okay. That's why I don't want to say this wrong, but it's for me, I don't think so. This the right way in doing the quotation. So just pay attention for this one. This Halton here, but this is enough. Just put egg here. If I don't mistake, if we put footnote, we use this way for footnote. Okay, for footnote we use this way. We just push the egg, the number will show here for footnote. Okay. I do hope I still remember how to put footnote because it's for years ago still. Okay, minute search citation. Okay, I can say this is insert footnote. Okay, sorry. Okay, as I say, remember just focus for the format. And Maxine's theory here, this is social classically, yeah. Yeah, maybe supposed to be there is a clear information as well here. What is those classified of classes to be clear, right? And then I think it more sources here. You need to put more supporting theories here. This is to sort. And also this one, and Maxine's theory is only one short paragraph. Okay, add more. And then social class, this is in general, you put the social class and the social classes. And I want that you put additional like this 2.3.1 upper class. What is upper class? And also this the sentences and then references as well. And what is moderate class? Because we have to make the classification of class, so people will know what is this class is. All right. And then last one is low class. I don't really suggest find which one is the right spelling for the class. All right. Okay, I put here as well. And remember, this is the general. What is social class? And this is the subheadings, 4.2.3.1, 2.3.2, and 2.3.3, 2.3 and 0.3. Okay. If only three classes at all. So 3. If there are 4 classes at all, there are 4. All right. Okay. And then put more supporting sentences, and at least for one like looks like upper class, just put one supporting theory, supporting reference. Okay, so make this can be strong. If you find this one for only one sources, they just put back even 2 times. You put back the supporting reference here. Okay, then 1. Okay, that's the additional from me in terms of the social class. It's to support this point. Okay, and then I do hope that you know theoretically you know what is the theory of Marxism, ya. Jadi teori Marxism itu apa definisinya, bahwa itu negara dikatakan bahwa diktator mengatur, mengklasifikasikan kelas atas sama kelas bawah, ya. Itu secara sederhana dari konsep teori ini, ya. Mengatur kelas, ya. This is also too short, ya. Too short. Just give more description. Remember, if it is a proposal, do not use past tense directly. We use past tense after doing the research, and you finalize this one is you put this past tense, and also please consistent with the writer. If the writer from the first chapter is going to be second and third, fourth, the last chapter is using writer. Okay, and also directly uses this took. Remember, this is proposal, you plan. This is a planning for research. Not this after conducting the research that you put this, you put the sentence like this. For now, still will take. Yep. No, took. Yeah. Took after conducting the research, and then you have already explained, and then you put. Okay. This is just small thing. I found others previous chapter. So you just please make correction because this is a proposal. After conducting the research, there you have to change the tense here. Okay, small thing. I do believe that your supervisor will help you just to make it, but I think much better if you have already known from now. So you don't need to killing time just to see your supervisor a few times. I do hope that after conducting this seminar class, that you just come to see your supervisor only 2 times or maximum 3 times, and you can prepare for your seminar, seminar proposal. And also this one is like the step, because this movie, and then I don't think so. By looking at this one, it's not like not quite clear how could you using the theory of classes in find the content that you expect, especially the objective of your research in the movie. Okay. This is the same suggestion what I say to Irina. This is the key for everything. That's why sometimes I ask the conceptual framework. This is how is the theory working in finding what we are looking for in the movie. Okay, based on the elements that we use, based on the theory. And here, you try to using the classes. So, based on the elements, how's the classes based on the Marxist theory? Yeah, what's the classes based on this theory? And then, maybe will be the elements is the upper classes. What is the contents look like in terms of the upper classes in the movie? And then what is middle classes? And then low class in the movie. You understand well how to give the classification and how to do the good cluster for the elements. And then you do right way in catching the point in every single element based on the movie that you watch. Okay, remember, do not based on interest. Find a strong reason why you choose the movie, and with the academic reasons. And of course, that this is like academic written, academic idea. So means that every single thing not because of your personal reasons, but it is like logic reasons, and then reasonable reasons. Jadi logik, beralasan, dan akademik. Jadi tidak perspektif bahwa interest ya. Oke, jadi my last suggestion, you just please give me ya. Ini kalau kelas klasifikasi berdasarkan klasifikasi kelasnya teorinya Marx itu, berarti kan nanti di table analisisnya di situ ada nomor, di situ deskripsi kelas-kelasnya, lalu kemudian nanti diberikan definisi kelasnya, lalu kemudian kutipan yang diambil dari movie-nya. Oke, karena ini adalah movie working ya, maybe the movie about 2 hours or more than 2 hours or less than 2 hours. Nah, di situ ada durasinya. Oke, di situ ada durasinya nanti. Jadi dia cuman yakinkan bahwa ini yang mana sih kategori kelas, karena ini masalah kelas ya, seperti yang ditanyakan Pak Ula tadi. Oke, jadi for sure you understand what is the point of the classes based on the theory, ya. Oke. Okay, well, I don't know what cited ya. Kita nggak pakai reference ya. Lagi-lagi ini saya nggak salahin ya. Okay. Well, I think that's enough from me. I'll back to the moderator. Okay, please.
Okay, thank you for Mr. Alamsyah for the evaluation. And also thank you to all audiences for your participation. The seminar is finally done, and from me as a moderator, I beg your pardon if there is any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a nice day, everyone.
Okay, thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, moderator.
Oke, jadi ya free discussion ya. Oke, jadi itu saran-saran kami ya, dari Pak Ula tadi, dari saya, Deva, Irina. Jadi harapan kita dengan adanya kelas seminar ini, kelas kolokium, kalau bahasa kerennya kelas kolokium, itu berharap bahwa semua bisa on time ya dengan adanya coaching-coaching ini.
Ya.
Karena nggak semua fakultas di UNMU melakukan.
Itu Pak ya?
Nggak semua. Nggak semua. Nggak semua.
Keren lah ini.
Ya, nggak semua. Jadi berharap dengan adanya ini antara yang masuk dan keluar itu sudah normal ya. Jadi kita jangan selalu juara satu dalam hal kekurangan wisudawati pada saat wisuda. Jadi kayaknya kita nomornya yang paling sedikit.
Selalu paling sedikit.
Ya, ketimbang dengan fakultas yang seumuran kita. Jadi this way we try to overcome the problem and then we try to increase the number of graduation in the next coming years. And maybe will be started in your class ya. Jadi akan dimulai dari kelas-kelas yang sudah diberikan coaching ya. Oke, ada yang mau di ini? Udah cukup ya, Deva sama Verina ya. Silakan. Ada yang mau sebelum kita akhiri?
Lain ada yang bertanyakan? Fajar ini kayaknya ngetik proposal terus. Paling serius kayaknya Fajar ini.
Compare aja. Takutnya ada salah nanti.
Wes. Belum bimbingan ini sudah tentu salah. Ya apa ya?
Iya. Oke, gimana? Aman ya semua ya?
Tadi itu Khairina sisa dilengkapi udah bisa diajukan ke pembimbing itu.
Ya.
Kalau Deva harus banyak nambahin teori lagi sama yang tadi itu. The reason itu not personal interest ya, bukan karena suka sama aktornya, ngefans sama tokoh utamanya, suka aja, seneng aja, atau ada yang lebih parah dulu Pak, waktu saya nonton filmnya ini saya sama mantan saya dan itu sangat berkesan, makanya saya jadikan sebagai tesis. No, that's not the academic reason.
Silly reasons.
Itu disimpan aja di lubuk hati yang dalam ya, tidak usah diomongin ke sidang proposal, because not the academic reason. Yang academic reason itu karena ini ada relevansinya dengan sekarang. For example, the woman ya, apalagi kalau dia black woman, itu kan lagi rise lagi nih isu tentang racism in UK and USA karena faktor misalnya yang kemarin yang hangat di anunya Oprah Winfrey misalnya yang apa itu Prince Harry ya, itu kan lagi diulik lagi tuh, or the rise of ini Vice President of America ya, Kamala Harris, itu kan membuat pembicaraan tentang black feminism, about the feminism, especially black feminism, about racism or multiculturalism, diversity, and so on. Itu menjadi hangat lagi karena ada fenomena itu. Itu yang dijemput bahwasanya ternyata yang begitu-begitu juga ada di movie, also represented in movie, in film, and also in literary work and other media. Gitu ya. Gitu cara mencari reason why it important to analyze or research. Nah, gitu. Seperti itu yang penting. Atau misalnya mungkin reasonnya Amerika Pak, filmnya vice presidennya sudah perempuan, sudah sudah kulit hitam. Obama pernah kulit hitam, sekarang perempuan kulit hitam. Tapi kok in movie the discrimination toward this the other one or beside a white people, white man or woman yang selain outside the white kok masih kenceng gitu. Masih ada white supremacy. Nah kan boleh seperti itu ya. Kok di dunia nyata sudah seolah ada equality, tapi kok di fictional life ini kok masih kenceng diskriminasinya. Kayak gitu, itu bisa jadi reason, itu menjadi menarik ya, karena knownness lagi hot gitu. Itu ya Deva, Khairina yang lain kalau mau ini personal interest itu disimpan di memori dan di hard disk kita masing-masing aja gitu. Kalau yang lainnya harusnya akademik gitu. Ini makin banyak yang neliti film ini Pak. Ini saya khawatir ini agak susah.
Mungkin ini nanti mudah-mudahan ada bertepatan momen-momen yang bisa ditarik yang ke Bill Live ini, Lighting Heaven ya. Jadi kita bisa di ini kita bisa publish jurnal. Maksudnya mungkin kondisi setiap pidato-pidato kenegaraannya wakil presiden US ini kan dia dari Black
Iya.
Skin American.
Sangat bisa.
Ah.
Kemarin itu bagus Pak, dia speech-nya di Singapura ini ya, waktu dia kunjungan ke Singapura,
Iya.
Singapura visit.
Maksudnya ini yang dikumpul-kumpulin itu loh, dikumpul-kumpulin.
Iya. Yang bagi linguistik bisa tuh.
Iya.
Apa?
Jadi kita nanti yang bimbing kita bisa publish internasional. Artinya ada peluang-peluangnya untuk dipublish secara global kan. Nah, cuman kan harus dimulai dari kelas yang sebelumnya. Pada saat mungkin kalau ada momen-momen yang directly kita bisa ini di situ.
Iya.
Pas. Oke, kalau nggak ada lagi, saya kira kita akhiri ya.
Yeah, that's enough. Simple.
Okay, well, guys, if you have no question anymore, I think that's enough for our meeting today. And enjoy your day today. And hope the one who haven't got the turn to present, please you prepare yourself, because I think every single thing quite clear for you to make strong the point of your thesis. This is different than previous presenters that still based on the previous one, and now you can add your thesis before you get the schedule to present. Okay, well, guys, I think that's all our meeting today, and saya akhiri. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, dan selamat sore semua. Oke.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay.
Good evening
Bye,
everybody.
Pak.
Malam, thank you Pak. Itu napi udah selesai tuh Pak.
Oke,
Keluar bapaknya.
Ya. See you semua. Live ya.
See you, Bang.
Ya baik Pak.
Yo.
Tadi aku mau nanya masalah PKL, cu.
Alibinya
Jangan
kita
dong.
kamu
Kan-
tanya PKL ke orang yang salah, jir. Nah,
Kan bapaknya nganu seminar, kenapa kamu nanya PKL?
Aduh, orang ini. Miranya di luar.
Aduh.
Tanya ke akademik aja, cu, kayak
gitu.
Udah.
Aku mau nanya PKL, mau nanya SK. Makanya mau tanya.
SK masuk akal lah.
Jangan
Tapi
PKL.
PKL tuh nggak pas, jar.
Aduh. No, Dano. No.
Lagi makan dia.
Oh, lagi makan kah?
Makan dia.
Kira tidur kan.
Tuh.
Nah, gimana? Udah rekam lo?
Nah,
Oke. Mantap.
bagus.
Ih, ngomong Will, jangan ngetik nah.
Kabar, Will.
Iya, katanya mabar loh. Aku dari pagi loh ini.
Aku sempat tidur loh.
Aku sempat Valorant loh tadi, berapa game. Parah.
He.
Ada dua.